Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. My son's mowing in the background, so you hear that. This is my garden area is tilled, and it doesn't look bad now, but it has gotten really soppy and soggy over the last week from rain, and that's because of drainage coming from up there and over there, down through here, and right into here. This was like a big giant puddle, and there were puddles here, and that new planting area I kind of set up over there was just underwater. So I'm gonna have to change the drainage. Right there, there's a spot where it can drain if I divert it here. So I'm gonna till here and take some high spots out, and hopefully that's going to keep my garden from being just totally soggy. I probably should have put it in a different spot, but way back when I started amending this area because it was so natural behind the house. But so I gotta live with it. Well, had a thunderstorm last night. Checking on how my drainage adjustment worked. Well, looks like stuff is flowing past that berm. It's still wet past there, but that'd be rained on directly. You can see it going, and it is actually flowing this way and flowing down my driveway, which is already in sad shape, so this is going to make it even worse, but that's something for later. Here's the garden, still pretty wet. It's still getting some flow, but it's not near as bad as it was. There's a lot of this is actually saturated soil and the water flowing through the saturated soil. I think there's a rock layer below, and there's only so much I can do. But this was a big giant pond, this whole area before, and I still have other stuff to deal with, but maybe I'll go ahead and put a little ditch along here to try to divert what's coming up there. But hey, one step at a time. At least it did some good. Well, God bless y'all. See you next time.